Fine. So guys, today we know that today is in India was a very heavy rain. You can see out how much rain. My God, I can't explain. And this is the first rain of 2022. I like it so much. I like it like that. I like that. I hope you all enjoying this rain day too. I think seriously good, and here was so much children was shouting out that rain come, rain come. I'm literally happy to hear that. When I hear rain sound first time, when mom say wow, rain come, I say what, really rain come? I'm seriously too much happy to seeing the rain that come. Enjoy this rain day. Bye. Hi. Today it's raining day and I'm enjoying too much, but only staying out because I can't go out. That's my family say. My parents say we don't go out. You know you will get cold. Okay, no problem. I will not go out. I will just sit over here. Wow, it's looking very beautiful. Ooh, its sound is really horrible. Oh my God. One more time. Let me see. I can see the thunder. Please, one thunder. One, please, thunder. Ooh, oh my God, it's thunder. I forget that I fell from thunder. Water sound. I'm going little far from this window. Oh, one more. Bye. I'm saying bye. I'm little far. And I told you that I will show my second sister to you. So here she's little ruteful, attitudeful, and jealous. Her name was Bishti, and from cute and sweet name we call him Dushtu.
Dush, मतलब बारिश.
Bishti mean was बारिश.
मेरा नाम
Srishti means earth.
और मम्मी का नाम चांदनी.
Yeah. Tell everything to her. What's up? He was saying wrong thing. Bye. If I make more videos, I don't know what he will say. So hi guys, I'm back after 6 minutes. So I told one army that I will show my two sisters. So I am going to show my first sister from. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is my sister. This was third sister. Her name was Srishti. What is her name, Aina? We call her sweet name. We cutely call him Srishti.
मेरा नाम मैना.
Oh, so cute. So I will meet with my second sister later. Oh. Oh my God, rain. Now I'm sitting with my both sisters. You can see this is third one and this is second one, and this is me, first one. Okay, sorry, I'm little too much.
तेरा नाम बड़ी दीदी है ना?
No, my name not is Badi Didi.
नहीं.
मेरा नाम है Misty, not Badi Didi. He was saying, I know that your name is Kimi. Yeah, right. He know everything of mine.
और तो लगे इससे चैनल भी है ना?
Yeah. Now shut your mouth. Oh, shut. अरे बस और नहीं. Hi guys, I wanted to give you a news that my school was starting in 13 June again, and I should think I will make more videos, but 1 to 2, not too much. Sorry. It's all blame goes to school date. Very soon. Ow. Sorry, not ouch. Ah. What is this? What is this? Sister is streaming while only making videos. Army, I promise you that I will hear this sound somewhere. guys, it was so. Who will say hi? Again, one blooper. Bye. I want to cut this video again. Hi. Blooper. Bye bye.